In this video, I'll show you how to fix file stream access denied on ChatGPT. So to fix this problem, I'll show you different method. So method number one, now go to settings of your mobile phone. After you open the settings, scroll to down and go to apps. After you open the apps, tap on the search at the top and search for ChatGPT. Open the ChatGPT. Now go to permissions. So from this option, scroll to down and tap on allow the camera access. Allow always. So go ahead and tap on these photos and videos, allow the permissions for them, and then go back. So the next step now under the ChatGPT, scroll to down again and go to this storage and cache and clear the cache. After you clear the cache, if this doesn't solve your problem, try the second method. The second method is now go to your Play Store. After you open your Play Store, go ahead and search for ChatGPT like this. After you search for ChatGPT, go ahead and update your ChatGPT. After you update the ChatGPT, and if still the problem has not been solved, all you have to do now, go ahead now and check the storage of your mobile phone. Make sure you have enough storage on your mobile phone. As you can see now, I have 23 GB free. So if you don't have enough storage, this may cause the problem for you. That's it, guys.